Hi CS Teach students, Mr. Morgan here. I'm going to show you how and why to change your sprite's costumes in your scene. Normally we think of costumes as something we wear for Halloween or a play. In Scratch, you need a new costume every time you want your sprite to look different in your scene. Let's look at what kinds of things need new costumes. For instance, emotion. What if in your scene a sprite appears, such as the bat? Let's make the bat appear by putting a show block hooked up to a when key pressed. The bat appears, and that will cause the cat to express some kind of fear. So what we have to do is draw the cat being afraid. The way we do that is we select the cat, we go to costumes, and notice there is no costume which shows the cat being afraid, so we have to make it. The first thing you will do is you will make a duplicate of a costume and simply change the facial expression. Here's how you do it. Up here is a rubber stamp and it has the word duplicate underneath. Click that. Duplicate means to make a copy. So we simply stamp the costume we want to copy, and down here it appears. We will edit this one. In fact, it's important to give the costume a name, and you'll see why later. Afraid. All we have to do to edit this sprite is to select this tool. Do you see how it says reshape? We select this tool, we select the mouth, and you will see these circles. When you click the circles, it allows you to reshape the mouth. So as you see, we're making the mouth be afraid. Perfect. Now what we have to do is program the sprite to change the costume at the right time. When that time is up to you. In this case, it will be when the bat appears. The bat appears when we press the letter B key. So when the letter B key is pressed, we simply say switch costume. And you see right here, it's useful that we named the costume afraid because we can tell which costume it is. Look, if it was number 3, we wouldn't know if it was 1, 2, or 3. So if we say afraid, we know exactly what it is. Now, to make this scene work, we have to always set up the green flag so that the sprite's in the right place and it starts with the right costume. Okay, scene begins. We press the letter B, the bat appears, and the cat is afraid. Another thing we may want to do is have the cat make a gesture, like wave a magic wand and make the bat disappear. Here's how we'll do that. First, we need to program when that happens. Let's set a new key entry. How about W for wand? And now we need a new costume, the cat waving a wand. Let's make a duplicate of this costume. So we use the duplicate tool, we click on the costume, and we have a new copy. We give it a name, wand, and now we just have to draw a new wand. How will we do that? Here's a line tool. Let's make it a blue wand. Okay, there's the wand. But that's not complete. We need to have maybe some lighter sparkles. So we draw some sparkles. Maybe some orange sparkles. Oh, here's a drawing tool. Let's use that. Okay, you get the idea. And actually his wand looks a little skinny. Let's make it thicker. Here we go. Perfect. Okay, we'll scoot this back. And now we'll program the wand costume to appear. When W key pressed, switch costume to wand. Now, when the wand appears, we want the bat to go away. So let's select the bat. When W is pressed for wand, the bat will hide. So we hook that up here. Let's go. So when the green flag is pressed, the bat goes away. When the B is pressed, the bat will show up. The costume will switch to afraid. Then we'll press the W key, which will switch this costume of the cat to the wand, and the bat will disappear. Let's see if it works. I press the key B, and now I can press the key W. And that is how you use costumes. Now, I encourage you to not just imitate the wand and the bat, but instead figure out how your scene will function. For example, you may have bullies, or you may have, who knows, it's up to you, it's creative. But it's important that you use the function here to make your own unique scene. Good luck!